Hi, I'm Al, and I'll show you how to figure out this type of problem. First of all, just do A since there's three parts. So, an ebonite rod has a charge of negative 10 times 10 to the negative 6 coulombs. Contacts a metal electroscope that is neutrally charged. A. How much charge will be transferred into the electroscope? So, if you see right here, the negative 10 times 10 to the negative 6 coulombs and the little ball, 0 coulombs, when it's neutrally charged, it has 0. So, these two are just going to touch each other. And when you have two objects like this, you're just going to add them together. Negative 10 equals 0 is obviously negative 10. But now they're both going to have a charge. So you take that and you divide it by 2, which is negative 5. So they each have a negative 5 microcharge. So the answer is negative 5 microcoulombs. Now B is how many electrons will be transferred from the rod into the electroscope. To figure that out, I'll just use this little equation here. So it's number equals the charge over E. So the negative 5 charge times 10 to the negative 6 over the electrons, because it's asking how many electrons are going to be transferred. And the electrons are negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19. And then you calculate that, and you get number of electrons equals 3.125 times 10 to the 13th electrons. Now the last part, C. What is the size of the force felt between the two objects after they have been contacted and then separated by 4 centimeters? So right away, the radius is going to equal 0.04 since you need to go to meters. Now use the force equation, which is force equals K, absolute value of the first charge and second charge, over the radius squared. So I'm just going to draw that over here. K is a constant of 9 times 10 to the ninth. And then you take the charge, 5 times 10 to negative 6. Now, it wouldn't be negative because anything inside these bars are positive. So then, you take the 0.04 meters squared, and then you end up getting the force equals 141 newtons. And that's how you figure that type of problem out.